Right now, I'm gonna show you how to take off this vent cover here in your bathroom. Lots of them have these style, and all of mine in the bathroom have this actually. So what you wanna do is just kind of grab on the edge here, even if yours is kind of beveled or rounded, it's fine, just kind of put some pressure on it. You don't have to pull down hard, just pull down and it comes right down, and I'll show you these little metal bars here that keep it in place. So they've got kind of this spring mechanism, they're just metal, and you just pinch them and they come right off. Here's a closer look. So here, there's a little slot here that the ends go into, so you just pinch it together. You just pinch it together and pull it right out. And then the reason I'm taking this off here is to clean it. It's all dirty, it's got some buildup and stuff, so I'm just gonna clean that off with some soap and so Dawn dish soap and some water, let it dry, and then I'll put it back in. And then to put it back in, it's the same kind of reverse the process. So you'll just pinch this together here, put it up in there, pinch this together here, slide it up in through the slot, let it go, and then just do the same thing on the other side here. You'll kind of have to do it blind because the plastic piece will be in the way. So you lift that up, pinch it here, and then you can actually kind of see up in there. Release it, and then it just hangs, and then to get it back up, you just kind of push on both sides, and then it locks into place. And that's easy. So you can take these off, clean them, probably clean them, I don't know, every couple years, once a year, something like that, as you see the dust build up. So hopefully that was helpful.